Hey everyone, this is Gus. We are right now watching my time lapse recording that I did on my Galaxy Tab tablet using the program called Infinity Painter. The good thing about Infinity Paper is that looks pretty much like Click Studio Paint, but it's only used for illustration. I guess if you are using illustration or you're using comics or you're using sketching. But the truth is, as you can see there, you can do professional illustration, I mean, with this. Yeah. The other good thing is the price. It's only $10. It's not like a yearly subscription or something like that, like it's with the Click Studio Paint. And also have this very nice gimmick, which is the time lapse. So what you are watching right now is me doing the time lapse, the whole the process. And it's like in going to Click Studio Paint, you put that for recording the time lapse. Well, the file is going to be a little heavier, but it doesn't matter. This is just for the sake of doing. So as you can see, I can do pretty much everything that I done before with Click Studio Paint. I can do the line art. I have like a different kind of inking tools like G pen and the other pen for inks, and also has like brushes. The brushes that I like the most is they pretty much they are similar to the one that you can find of Click Studio Paint, which is the simple, the oil brushes. I like the oil brushes. Also, it has a feature for doing blending by itself. So this is the blending brush that I'm doing, and I really like it a lot. Also, it has the blending. It has like a, using the smudge, yeah, like the one in Photoshop. The good thing is, program is totally, the UI is totally designed for the tablet environment. Not you don't need to do any kind of arrangement or any other thing. It's already set up that way. So you have pretty much all the controls, many of the controls actually, totally hidden from you, but you can just use gestures and they will appear again. And it's totally done for the environment. As you can see, the colors are nice. You have many tools like the ones that exist in Click Studio Paint. You can do your comics there, and also your illustration. You can do professional illustration using a Galaxy Tab S9 FE edition, which is not the top level Galaxy Tab tablet right now, but it's very decent. It's I guess it's like the XP Pens, the iPad Air. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this, and don't forget, like and subscribe.